Well, here we are, above the tree lines, almost. Still got, we got 25 more feet or so above the highest tree. There's one in a big tree right over there. You see that one? I can't believe it. There's still some of these big monsters out here, and I'm in it. That tree over there is just as tall as the rest of these. And we're up here in the middle of the Black River. There's Hippie down there, trying to free my rope from all the debris I've been. Took about 20 feet off already and above the tree line here. Almost above the tree line. It's amazing how tall some of these trees get. It was struck by lightning here. As you can see, there's a big hole down there. You can see that hole in there. Struck by lightning.